Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to book your G2 and G road test. Please like and subscribe my channel. You're gonna go to Drive Test Center website and you're gonna click and you will get this page. So here you have to enter your email address, confirm your email address, enter your driver's license number, enter your driver's license expiry date and click submit. You will get this mail in your email, click on verify and then you will get this page. Here you have to enter your driver's license number again and driver's license expiry date and then click submit. At this page you have to click book a new road test. At this page you have to choose which category you want to go for the test, G2 or G, and then you will click on continue. On this page, you have to choose the location, whichever location you want to go for the test. You can check if Drive Test Center is open on Saturdays and if they take a test in French as well. So I'm going to book for Oshawa. So I'm looking for Oshawa location. We will click on Oshawa and then we will click on continue. Oshawa. Now click continue. At this page is showing the November month is fully booked and in December there are a lot of dates are available. So I'm gonna choose a random date here and then click continue. Here is showing me the time that available for the road test. So you're gonna choose your time that you want to go for the test and then click on continue. So at this page is showing that your drive test location, date, time, and the fee that you have to pay for the test. Click and then click on pay now. At this page, you have to enter your card details, your name and your personal information as well. And then you will click on submit and you're going to get an email with the confirmation of your road test. So here is the confirmation for the road test.